So Suorin just released a new product called the Suorin Edge, and boy is it cool.
We had to jump on that shit real quick because we love shitting on devices, and we were just expecting another device we could shit on.
Exactly.
Suorin's kind of
blow nowadays.
Yeah, Suorin's haven't been standing up, but
this device is freaking sick.
Yeah,
I tell
we got
you right
a big
now.
butt on this one.
So let's start from the bottom up this time.
Yeah, this is a whole
And
new
with
thing.
this,
What?
so it's got a removable battery, and ours came with two, which first and foremost
Two
is
batteries.
freaking
Whoa,
sick.
that's sick. That's sick as hell. You're gonna have a fucking backup battery you can be charging. All the time.
So when it dies, you don't have to grab another device or plug it in because you've already got one charged, which is sick. And I love that it's magnets. It just goes right in the bottom.
It slides in. And you know what, dude? Having both the top and the bottom magnet is just a recipe for me to fucking fiddle with this thing 24/7.
Exactly.
Literally
and what's great is,
stop.
you can't plug it in wrong. Like it goes in both ways.
Yeah,
and it's
a
USB-C, which is so great. That's the new standard now for at least technology.
For Android.
Yeah, and Apple on the iMacs.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. So we're moving towards that, and once that's a thing, then everybody's gonna have those all the time.
Exactly, and it's great because it's reversible, just like the battery. So you can never plug this in incorrectly, which is great.
Now let's move up to the top.
Yeah, let's move up to the top. The pod is standard size, about 2 milliliters. What do you think about the hit?
What do I think about? Dude, it's wild. It's a very soft hit. But it brings me back because Suorin was the first pod system I ever used after Juul, and I loved it. I loved my Suorin Air when I got it originally, and this Suorin Edge hits a lot like that. It actually hits almost exactly like that.
But I feel like the flavor's a little better.
The flavor? I don't know. They had really good flavor. It's just the thing that was that they went bad very quickly.
You're right. And this is like the first of its kind almost with the removable batteries. There's others that have been around, but none of them did it as well as this.
It's a great idea. I can't believe that more companies don't do this.
Honestly, you're right.
Why?
It's great. The only downfall is though when you buy this device, it doesn't come with a pod, so that's kind of a bummer. It's like
you gotta buy pods, but it comes with two batteries.
Yeah, exactly, which is sick. Like that's honestly a great idea.
Yeah.
I don't know though.
Yeah, I like
overall, this device is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's very cool, and I do enjoy the hit, which is surprising because I don't usually like softer hits like this. It's got the classic Suorin hit, very light, and it has those light little pops in there.
Yeah, those pops are nice. Yep.
I love it, dude.
This device is pretty sweet looking. Like, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, and it's not the most expensive device in the world.
Fairly priced.
It's about $23, which honestly, for all this technology, is a pretty cool deal.
Yeah, very cool deal. It doesn't have a ton of dope shit on it. The battery is the main selling point, and I approve.
Exactly. You know what? And again, we can't speak too much about longevity of this device as we just got it and it's a brand new device. However, we will be sure to keep you guys informed on how its performance stays and if we want to change anything about it.
Yeah, you'll know.
That battery is sick because one of the biggest problems with devices is once the battery starts to go, then you're pissed off because you can't really take it with you. But if it's replaceable, you're set.
Yeah, you just buy a new battery instead of a new whole fucking device.
Yeah, which is super dope. So check out this device. We got it linked down below for a killer price, $23 a little bit. So do that. Check it out if you're interested. Hit the comment and subscribe buttons while you're down there. Tell us what you're thinking. Drop a like. Post notifications. The works.
Yeah.
And until next time, guys. Peace out.